Hello everyone, I am Barkha from Insurtechand Webner. Today in this video, I am going to demonstrate the document reader with a handwritten form that is tilted or slanted. In my previous video, I explained how document reader can extract data even from handwritten forms, but here I will show a handwritten PDF, not scanned symmetrically. It is slightly slanted and still the doc reader can extract data from it. So let me start by showing you the Accord form 126 I'll be using for this demo. We filled up this form by hand and it's scanned as a PDF. You can see some of the pages are slightly slanted, tilted left or right. However, doc reader can still extract the data from them. In my previous video, I also explained some of these common elements: the agency information, the carrier information, the policy number, the applicant's name, the NAIC code, the coverages and limits, etc. Scrolling down, you will see the contractor's information, additional interest information and general information. Near the bottom of the form, you will see the producer's signature, the applicant's signature, national producer number, etc. Let's extract data from this form. For this, we need to go to the Postman application. In the first endpoint, which is login, fill in the username, and password. Hit the send button. A new access token is generated. We can proceed to the next endpoint as this generated token is automatically used in the remaining endpoints in our Postman collection. So now let's proceed to the scan endpoint. You have to select the PDF here in the input file parameter. In the next parameter, which is callback URL, you need to enter the URL hosted on your server where you will receive the output JSON back. The next parameter is custom mapping key. We can ignore it for now. In the next parameter, which is omit blank values, we are writing true. The following parameter we have is save output temporarily. Here we write true to enable us to retrieve the output using the next endpoint, fetch callback output explicitly as well, apart from the output being posted to the callback URL. So now click on the send button. The output will be generated. You can see in the output there is a unique transaction ID, file size, file name. To explicitly retrieve the output, copy the transaction ID and paste it into the next endpoint, which is fetch callback. Let's click on this endpoint and paste the transaction ID here and hit the send button, and you will see the output is generated. As I explained in my last video, sometimes you may have to wait for a few seconds before the output is ready. The response JSON will tell you whether the request is queued or under processing. We need to run this endpoint multiple times to check if the output is ready. So I have received the JSON output back. The output is sent as a zip file and inside it the JSON is packed. To see the output, you need to click on the save response and save it in a file with the name and .zip extension. Let's save the contents as response.zip. Now we will extract the zip and we will get a JSON file inside this extracted folder. Let's open this file. You can see in the output all the data has been extracted in the JSON format. As you can see in the output, all the values are extracted. So even though the form pages were slightly slanted, tilted left or right, the doc reader was able to easily extract JSON formatted data. For each page of the PDF, there is a JSON key. You see the form page number of the page and the data key under which page data is. You can check the e-labels and their corresponding value. Like in the form page number 1, you can see the producer name, policy number, policy effective date, NAIC code, insured name, coverages and limits. On page 2, you will see the contractor's information. On page 3, you will see the additional interest information. On page 4, you will see the producer name, producer signature, producer license number, insured signature. So this is how the process works. As you see, WinsurTech document reader REST API makes it very easy to extract data from handwritten Accord forms with improper alignment as well. I hope this video was useful. I will be back soon with another video for more advanced cases. For any assistance regarding AL3, Accord forms, Accord XML or any PNC insurance project, kindly contact us at contact@winsurtech.com.